place where we can go and be alone. So
there's been a few life choices that he's made in the past that I haven't been real great with, but this is one that I'll take and I'll say, mate, well done.
I was just calling to see if you're free to run away with me, to run away with me. Don't tell your friends, but let them know we're safe later on. The road's calling, sun on our skin, sleeping under stars when it's gone. I was just
I couldn't be a prouder father of my angel, my sunshine. It's pet names I've had for Tayler the whole time. She's been my angel and she's been my sunshine. Actually got in trouble at school because she was telling everyone her name was Tayler Francis Angel Sunshine Thompson because she thought that actually was her real name, but no.
A wedding is like an apprenticeship. It takes 4 years to earn. Well, I've known Khai since grade 2, and he's never been good at math. Hence why it took Tayler 6. So let's all raise a glass to the happy couple. Here's to a lifetime of love, laughter, and maybe a few math lessons. Cheers.
Yeah, I just wanna get back to you. May take some time. I don't wanna find no one but you in my arms. If it's a test, I'm doing my best, but it gets hard being without you, being without you. I would walk a million lonely miles to look you in the eye, have you here by my side. Swim every ocean, fight till I'm broken. I just wanna get back to you. Yeah, I just wanna get back to you. May take some time. I don't wanna find no one but you in my arms. If it's a test, I'm doing my best, but it gets hard being without you.
There comes a time in a woman's life when she meets her soulmate. And for Tayler, that was 15 years ago when she met me. I had Tayler to myself for 8 years before she met the love of her life. There was giddy phone calls about this man who was taking her on dates and making her laugh. And what bloomed from friendship and crushes was this beautiful love we've all come here to celebrate today.
They're telling me to head your way, down your road and past your gates. Keep your eyes on the horizon. I was looking to belong when I'd already found.
Tayler, love you, always will. Thank you for today. We got through it, we got here. Even though this week has been different and hard. And you look amazing. Even the late night runs to Bunnings for flowers.
I was looking to belong when I already found my home.
Good luck.
You look so beautiful and we're so happy for you.
We wish you all the best, all the happiness.
I hope you have a beautiful life with your lovely new wife.
Proud of you both. Love ya.
Thank you very much. Have a lovely night.
Have a happy marriage.
Yes, yes.
Good luck with the future.
And we really wish you the best.
Nothing but the best wishes. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Khai and Tayler.
Good luck for the future. I love you both so much.
So does that have a microphone in here?
That is a microphone. You